Hello again. So I have 3 more space books that talk about the planets. So we're going to read them right now, and that'll be all of our space books. Um, so in a couple weeks, I'll probably post a little less just because I started these videos early, and typically in the class we do repeat the lessons in order for the kids to learn the information. So I'm posting them all early so I don't have anything new to put up simply because I would be repeating those lessons on certain days. So what I typically do in the morning, because I forgot to tell everybody, is for the morning story time, I do books that have to do with our lessons, whatever we're talking about. And then, so like today, if I give a space lesson, I would read my books about space in the morning for them at story time, and then at lesson do the space lesson, and then when it comes to the nap time, story time, that can be any books, any fun books, books on CD, that kind of thing. And then I typically repeat a lesson a couple times in a week, so I'm giving you guys videos in advance in hopes that a couple days you do show them the same video so that they're learning, and obviously you can do and show as you please, but that's just how I do it in the classroom, which I should have told y'all that a long time ago. But anyways, let's get back to books. So this one is called My Solar System. The sun is at the center of our solar system. All planets orbit the sun. The sun is a star. It is full of heat and energy, and is what gives life to us on our Earth. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It has freezing cold nights and scorching hot days. It's also the smallest planet. Mercury. Venus is the hottest planet. It's covered in clouds that reflect the sun. Sometimes we can see Venus from Earth. Earth is where we live. This is our home. Most of Earth is covered with water. Conditions on Earth make it perfect for life. Mars. Mars is called the red planet. It has very strong dust storms. It's a very rocky planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. All the other planets could fit inside of it. It also has many, many moons. Saturn has the largest and brightest rings. The rings are made of chunks of ice and rock. One day on Saturn takes 10.7 hours. Our day has 24 hours. Uranus is the third largest planet. It is made of gas and has a bluish-greenish color. It spins on its side. So all the other planets, remember, they go like this around the sun. But Uranus goes like this, kind of like a wheel on a bus. Neptune is windy and cold. It is the last planet in our solar system, and it is made from different gases. Pluto is a dwarf planet. There are 4 other dwarf planets in our solar system. Pluto is cold, icy, and brown. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, up above the shooting stars. Jupiter with all your moons, Saturn with your pretty rings, Uranus, Neptune, that will do, rockets shooting over you. Good job, friends. Next, on our solar system book, It's from Hello World. I have lots of these books, and I love them because they're very colorful. Look up at the sky. What do you see? Can you see the moon? Astronauts have left their footprints on the moon. In the daytime, we see the sun. It's the center of the solar system. Let's learn about all the planets that travel around it. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Ouch! Asteroids and comets often hit this planet. Venus is the brightest planet. Woo! Venus is also the hottest planet in the solar system. It's hot, hot, hot. We live on a planet called, what is it? Earth. Good job. From space, it looks like a swirled blue marble. It's the third planet from the sun. Can you point to the red planet? Is it this one? No. Right here. Mars has giant volcanoes. This is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the stormiest planet in the solar system. You see this right here? It's Jupiter. It's the great storm of Jupiter. This is Saturn. What does Saturn have, friends? Do you remember what these are called? Rings. They go round and round and are made of ice, dust, and rock. This is Uranus. Ice crystals give Uranus its blue color. Do you remember how Uranus spins? Does it spin like this? No. How does it spin? There you go. Like a wheel on a bus on its side. Neptune. Uranus and Neptune are dark and cold. So Uranus and Neptune. It's very windy on Neptune. Pluto. Pluto is a tiny dwarf planet very far away from the sun. It used to be a planet, and now it's called a dwarf planet. Pluto is smaller than the Earth's moon. It's smaller than the moon that we see in the sky. Stars twinkle in the night sky. Can you connect the dots with your fingers and see the shapes that the stars make? Let's see if I can get it close enough, friends. You can try. Sometimes we see comets soaring across the sky. A comet's tail glows when it travels close to the sun. Ready to sing again? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, up above the shooting stars. Jupiter with all your moons, Saturn with your pretty rings, Uranus, Neptune, that will do, rockets shooting over you. The solar system is a very exciting place. Where would you like to go first? And our last one, our solar system. This is the sun. The sun is a giant ball of hot gas. It's the center of our solar system. Next is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, and it is also the closest planet to the sun. Very, very small. Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky. It's covered with thick clouds. Earth. Who lives there? We do. We live on planet Earth. Our planet takes about 365 days to orbit the sun. That is an entire year. Mars. What do we call Mars? Do you remember? Yep, the red planet. The rocks on the surface of Mars look red. Jupiter. Do you remember what Jupiter has on it? What is that? A great big storm. Good job. It's the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is called a gas giant planet. Gas giant planets do not have a solid surface. Saturn. What does Saturn have? Do you remember? What are these called? Rings. Saturn is also a gas giant planet. It has rings made of ice, rocks, and dust. Uranus. Which way does Uranus spin? Show your mummies and daddies. Good job. Uranus is called an ice giant planet. It is the only planet in our solar system that is tipped on its side. Neptune. Neptune is the planet that is farthest from the sun. It's also an ice giant planet. It has the strongest winds of any planet. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Our Milky Way galaxy is filled with many stars, planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. And the universe has many, many other galaxies in it. Let's sing one more time. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, up above the shooting stars. Jupiter with all your moons, Saturn with your pretty rings, Uranus, Neptune out with you, rockets shooting over you. Good job, friends. I hope you've been able to learn your planets and the planet song and have been enjoying all of our talks about space. Until next time.